Within Class Notebook, you can show your work in different ways. Just like a pencil box in your classroom, you have all the tools you need in the tabs at the top of your screen. When working on a blank page, you can use the tools located on the Home tab. Identical to the toolbar available in Microsoft Word, you first begin by clicking your cursor in the workspace to type. You can change the style of your font using the font menu, adjust the size or color, highlight or emphasize the text by making it bold, italicized, or underlined. To show your work on top of an existing document in your notebook, you'll need to use the tools found in the Draw tab. To add a text box, double-click your cursor on the screen. You may need to move your text box into place. Click and drag it until it's in your desired location. To add text, click your cursor inside the box and begin to type. To adjust the size, hover your mouse over the edge of your text box, then press and drag it out to make it bigger, or move the cursor in to make your text box smaller. To remove a text box entirely, click on the box and hit Delete. Marquee selection allows you to select your work to copy and paste larger sections more easily. You can draw a square around your work, then copy, cut, or paste it. The pencil allows you to write on the page. It can be difficult to use the pencil or marker features with your mouse. Only use it if you need to circle or connect your answers. It may also come in handy when adding parental initials in your reading log. You can change the color of your marker or pencil, as well as the thickness of your lines as well. To highlight, click on the highlighter icon and then choose your color. Press and drag your mouse over the text you want to highlight. To erase any markings on your document, select the eraser icon from the toolbar and then click on the work you wish to remove.